One more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you love? Let's talk about Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better. Let's talk about Let's talk about Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love.
I'm so tired, got me weak when I wake up on a weekend when I'm not messed up. What a shame you only know my name. What a show, call off your circus. All your jokes come off so ruthless. Bye bye, you can miss me with that shit. I think of you when I'm intoxicated. I don't know why I get frustrated. Oh, babe, love was on your mind. Last night we fell by your side. Oh, you can't deny. I bet you wish it's you and I can see that you still try. Oh, your sweetest dream. Time flies by and you still look so dumb. Getting bored too soon of your new hun. Don't even get me started on. You think you're a beat to every girl's drum. I see a boy who missed his home run. Boo-hoo, you can miss me with that shit. I think of you when I'm intoxicated. I don't know why I get frustrated. Oh, babe, love was on your mind. Last night we fell by your side. Oh, you can't deny. I bet you wish it's you and I
Turn it all out, told me every secret. Said that I care, asked do you mean it? It's been a month since we've been okay. I'm putting off what's coming.